there's all types of situations that cause residential water problems. Here we have a walkout basement. We have a backyard that's really built up. All the water runs this way. This homeowner bought this house, and the previous owner had a landscaper hump these pavers up to prevent the water from entering the basement. It still floods his walkout basement. He hired a landscaper several months ago, and he brought a skid steer in and went ahead and just carved out a real pronounced swale. You can see the sprinkler lines are exposed. They really removed a lot of dirt here, but again, you got to put a French drain pipe in. You don't want to add dirt. Even if you remove some dirt out, you still need to put in a French drain. French drain will carry this water to the storm drain catch basin. A channel of stone moves water uninterrupted better than anything. For residential yard water problems in Michigan, southeastern Michigan, give us a call.